Subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for more videos.
Shamsundar 1997 Enterprises Inc. presents Bob the Builder Kills the EAS Reporter / Grounded, and was inspired by Mr. MuppetFan and WeatherStar 4000 video. Let's play some Call of Duty Black Ops 4 on my Xbox One. This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system, originated from the EAS local primary station for the Plotagon City area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested, if this have been an actual emergency, such as a tornado warning, toxic material release, nuclear plant incident, or other state or local emergencies that affects your safety. Official message would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the Plotagon City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. All stations might now resume local programming. The emergency alert system just had to interrupt me in the middle of my in-game. That is just rude. That's it. I'm going to kill the man who is responsible. Bob the Builder, I don't know what you're mad about, but you need to shut the up and stop whining like a... It really annoys me when you always complain about Farmer Pickle, please. I don't have time for your jokes right now. I'm really angry right now. When Bob the Builder got to the EAS studio. Young man, what are you doing here, and why do you have a gun in front of my face? Oh, shut your mouth and don't move a muscle, you piece of... This is what you get for ruining my game of Call of Duty Black Ops 4 on my Xbox One, so I am going to kill you right now. Ouch. Wah. Now, since you are dead, you don't have to keep making emergency alert system uses and ruin my games ever again. Enjoy being dead, you piece of... After all of that. Bob the Builder, why did you kill the emergency alert system reporter? Because I was so mad, just because he interrupted me in the middle of Call of Duty Black Ops 4. That's why I had to kill him to death. I don't give a... No excuses, young man. You are grounded for 95 weeks. Go to your room right now. Wow.